Here, hypothalamus. At the ventral side of the diencephalon, you can see hypothalamus. And there is a pineal gland, an epithalamus, pineal gland. And you see the pituitary gland connected to the hypothalamus. There is a pituitary gland, thyroid gland. Either sides of the thyroid, you can see parathyroid gland. And near to the heart, thymus gland is there. Pancreas, endocrine portion of the pancreas, because it also secretes enzymes. Pancreas. Adrenal gland, above the kidney, we'll find adrenal gland. Next, testis in male, ovary in female, and also we'll say gastrointestinal mucosa. These are all the major endocrine structures and glands. Structure, gland, there is reference, we'll look forward. But here, let us try to learn only the gland and hormone angle here. The hypothalamus. Hypothalamus is releasing hormones, inhibiting hormones, group of hormones we'll discuss. Oxytocin, vasopressin. Vasopressin, who is also called anti-diuretic hormone. Vasopressin is said to be anti-diuretic hormone. Let me write anti-diuretic hormone, we can say. ADH or anti-diuretic hormone. So hypothalamus releasing hormone, inhibiting hormones, and anti-diuretic hormone. Okay. Then oxytocin, vasopressin or ADH. ADH is said to be anti-diuretic hormone. Next, pineal gland. In the pineal gland, the hormone coming from the pineal gland is melatonin. Pituitary gland, it contains two portions, adenohypophysis, neurohypophysis. Adenohypophysis, it releases GH or STH, which means growth hormone or that somatotropic hormone. TSH, thyrotropic stimulating hormone or thyroid stimulating hormone. ACTH, adrenocorticotropic hormone. GTH, gonadotropic hormone, which include two, FSH and LH. FSH, follicle stimulating hormone. LH in male is called ICSH. LH, that means luteinizing hormone in female, that ICSH in male, interstitial cell stimulating hormone. LTH, luteotropic hormone. Okay, MSH, melanophore stimulating hormone. MSH, melanophore stimulating hormone. Next, neurohypophysis is not going to produce any hormone, just it stores two hormones, oxytocin and vasopressin, which are secreted by hypothalamus. This neurohypophysis is going to that store oxytocin and vasopressin. Next, from the thyroid gland, thyroxine, which triiodothyronine, tetraiodothyronine. We say T3 and T4. Then calcitonin is another hormone released from the thyroid gland. Parathyroid gland secrete a hormone called parathyroid. Then thymus. Thymus, hormone from the thymus, thymosin. Pancreas, the endocrine portion of the pancreas, that islets of Langerhans, we can say here, alpha cell secrete glucagon, beta cell secrete insulin, delta cell secrete somatostatin, F cell secrete pancreatic peptide. Adrenal gland. Adrenal gland comprises of two, cortex and medulla. In the cortex, zona glomerulosa, zona fasciculata, and zona reticularis. There are three zones. Zona glomerulosa secrete mineralocorticoid, and major mineralocorticoid is aldosterone. Okay. Then zona fasciculata is going to secrete glucocorticoids, and major glucocorticoid is cortisol. Zona reticularis is going to secrete the sex corticoids like androgens and estrogens. Then medulla. The medullary portion of the adrenal gland secrete epinephrine and or norepinephrine, which are even called adrenaline or noradrenaline. And hormones from the gastrointestinal mucosa. That stomach is going to secrete a hormone called gastrin, and hormones from the intestine are secretin, cholecystokinin, pancreogymin, enterocrinin, enterogastrone, vilicrinin. All these are the hormones released from the intestine. And kidney, erythropoietin, hormone from the kidney is erythropoietin. Then next, testes. That hormones from the testes is done by secreted by special cells called Leydig cells or interstitial cells. They secrete the hormone called androgens, a group of androgens. One of them is testosterone. Then ovary, estrogen, released from the ovary, estrogen. Then corpus luteum, which is going to secrete the progesterone, and hormones from the placenta, that connection between the mother and baby fetus, that estrogen, progesterone, chorionic gonadotropin, and relaxin. So these are the gland and hormone,